Oh, yeah. Was it hot? Oh.
Congrats on 25,000, Danny. That's awesome. All right, bros. So today we are prepping the car for my trip over to Dallas. It's another about 7.5 hour trip, but it's gonna be awesome. We're changing the oil today, and I'm gonna clean the car up just a little bit so it's ready for the actual drive. Oh yeah, and by the way, I got the new lens that all you guys suggested that I get. I got the 16 to 35 f4 lens, and I am loving it. I will give you guys a little taste of how it looks whenever I get to Josh's. I also got this little dead cat thing to go on top of my mic, so hopefully the wind noise isn't that bad anymore, so we're gonna test that out too. We're gonna test out this dead cat mic. That bridge right there is probably one of my top places that I really want to shoot at, especially this time of day because the sun sets right over all the trees and it looks amazing. So I'm gonna be shooting there pretty soon. I don't know what I'll be shooting, but I'll be there. The worst part about Josh's is this driveway. Oh, that was great.
I don't know if I can help you through all of it.
That's cool. All right, guys, so I am currently prepping the car to go to Dallas. It's about a 7.5 hour trip. I'm going out there for number one. I'll be at the Plano, Texas Cobb meet. That's a Thursday night. You guys have, this is a Friday, so I've already been there, but I'm going to Plano, Texas. And then Saturday, which is tomorrow, I'll be at Slammedenuff Dallas in the Dallas Market Hall or the Convention Center or something like that. I'll be there from 12 to 5. My car's in the show. So come see me if you're there. Also after the show around 6, have a group of us. We're gonna go shooting around downtown Dallas. So anybody's welcome to tag along. Just come see me and say what's up. I'm looking for cars to shoot, cars to review, so just come talk to me.
Oh, yeah. Was it hot?
Oh, yeah, so yeah.
That was bad.
So what happens when you do oil changes? Oh my god, dude. Gotta clean myself. Alright, so while the oil drains, we are gonna go ahead and switch out the oil filter and put some oil in whenever that gets done. Here's the oil filter, there's the part number if you're curious. Let's put it on. It's a cool little makeshift tool. Alright, old oil filter is down. Mother! Dude, that is so hot. Yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah, that's good.
We got the oil filter on. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the bolt back in along with the little crush washer thing. And then we'll be ready to put the oil in. Pearl bolt in. For the new 2015 WRXs, we need 5.4 quarts of oil. So I'm using the Pennzoil Platinum synthetic oil. I'll do 5.4 of that, and hopefully it comes out good. Nice and easy. Shit. Ah, it's fucking hot, dude. Think we're good?
I think so.
Boom. 10 minutes. Dude, that wasn't even 10 minutes. That was like a 5-minute oil change.
How not to do a 10-minute oil change.
Look at my body. These clothes are ruined, so guess this would be my designated car working shirts and shorts. Yeah. So yeah, got everything good. Once again, we used the Pennzoil Platinum 5W30. We did an entire big 5-quart bottle, and then about a half of the smaller bottle. So we're done with that now. Done. This is a very sad moment for me and Josh. Josh is about to leave, and this might be the very last time I'm ever on the lift. So thank you for helping me through everything.
No problem.
Almost everything on my car, from the exhaust to the oil changes to the toast wrap, literally a bunch of stuff he has helped me on, and I'm very grateful to have him in the lift. It's really awesome, and Josh is a great guy. He's actually going to Birmingham, so if any of you guys are in Birmingham, I know they have awesome cars there. Say hey to Josh whenever he's at the meets and stuff, because his Z is looking really, really good. Bye guys. Oh my god. This is why it's so scary coming out of Josh's house. I'm about to scrape so hard. Here we go. Oh. I made it out without scraping at all. Didn't expect that one. So I don't know if you guys remember this spot, but I shot Josh's old Z here not too long ago, and it's absolutely beautiful here, and I've always really wanted to get some shots of my car here. So I decided after our oil change, we should stop and get some shots, because it's beautiful out here. Alright guys, since we did the oil change, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up before I leave tomorrow morning, make it easier and quicker for me in the morning, not to have to go fill up a ton of gas. So I'll do it now. I don't know why, but I'm getting everything spilled on me. The gas nozzle just spilled gas all over my feet, so we've got that good 93 here. Gas checked off the list. Alright guys, I'm about to end the video here. Sorry if today's video seemed rushed. It really kind of was. I'm trying to cram everything into my car, you know, the oil change, got to pack and everything, and Josh was in the process of moving. I really wanted to do the Q&A video today, but that's just not going to happen. I have too much to do. I'm going to end today's video here. If you're in Dallas, please come see me. I really want to meet you guys. That'd be so awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Next week's videos are going to be insane. Dallas is going to be an amazing trip, and I cannot wait to show you guys all of it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.